Alright, this is me again, Mr. Zamora, and I am here to explain about how to solve 8.T.13, surface area of cones. Okay, to solve this, let's first take a look at learn with an example. Okay, as you can see, this is how you're going to solve these problems. Okay, you have to sum or to add up B plus LA. So B is the area of the base, the area of this circle, and LA is the lateral area, the area of the rest of the cone. Okay, how do we get the area of the circle? Just like multiplying P times square radius, or in Spanish, P por radio al cuadrado, right? When we get this, now we need the surface or the area of the rest of the cone, which is P times R times S, which is P times the radius times the cone. The S means the cone's slant height. The cone's slant height. So it is the height from one of the points of the circumference to the top of the cone. So this is the one. So here is how you're going to solve it. So the radius is 1, the slant height is 4, there's one right here, and we know P, we're going to round it to 3.14. Okay, so the area of the base is, this is the formula. Okay, P times square radius. So square radius is 1 times 1 equals 1. So the area of the base is 3.14. So now we know this. Now let's get to know the other part of the surface of the cone. Okay, so we multiply the three values that we have here, and P equals 3.14 times the radius, which is 1, times the cone's slant height. Okay, we multiply this times this times this, and the result is 12.56. So we sum this, or we add this to the other area, and the result is going to be 15.7. Okay, so let's go back to practice and let's solve this one. So we have these values. We have P, all right, P, whatever you want to express it like, we know that it is always going to be, for us, rounded to 3.14. So this is P. Okay, the radius in this case equals 3 meters. We know that it's meters. Let's write meters right here. And the slant height equals 9 meters. So to get this, we need P times the square radius, right? To get the area of the circle equals P times the square radius. So this is the formula of any circle. So P, we know that P equals 3.14 and we're going to multiply this times the radius elevated to the power of 2. So the radius elevated to the power of 2 equals 9. So 3.14 times 9. All right, so we can use a calculator now. 3.14 times 9, and we get the result 28.26. okay, 28 0.26. All right. Now this is not the final result. Remember, this is only the area of the base of the circumference. Now we need the area of the rest of the cone. So in order to do that, we need to multiply, okay, let's say lateral area equals P times radius times this other value right here. Okay, so we just multiply 3.14 times the radius, which is 3, times the S, which is 9. Okay, we go back to the calculator and we multiply 3.14 times 3 times 9 equals 84.78. So equals 84.78. Okay, so what do we need to do now? We need to add these two values that we got, this one and this one. Okay, when we add them, okay, 84.78 plus 28.26 equals 113.04. Okay, and we write that down in here and we submit it, and brilliant, right? I know I'm brilliant. Okay, so this is what you have to do for multiply by 10. Okay, you have to solve 10 problems. Let me know if you have any questions, and see you around next time.